Ready to find out what January 2025 has in store for your zodiac sign? From shocking career twists to unexpected romances, the stars have some wild predictions for the start of the year. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Will your sign thrive or just survive? Let's find out. Happy New Year, star lovers. It's 2025, and you know what that means. A whole new chapter in the zodiac story. January is a month of fresh starts and big shifts, and this year, the stars are pulling out all the stops. Whether you're a practical Capricorn or a dreamy Pisces, these predictions will have you laughing, gasping, and maybe even reaching for your vision board. But here's the thing, astrology isn't about set-in-stone rules. It's a fun way to reflect, get inspired, and maybe even make sense of life's twists and turns. So, grab your coffee or your crystals, and let's dive into January's most insane zodiac predictions. Before we jump in, let's play a little game. Guess your zodiac sign's big January prediction. Will it be an unexpected love story, a career breakthrough, or maybe a chance to finally take that dream vacation? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Bonus points if you throw in a prediction for your best friend's sign too. Who knows, you might just predict the future better than the stars. And don't worry, I'll reveal everything soon. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Your January 2025 predictions sign by sign. Ready? Let's start with Aries. Aries, January is your month to shine in your career. Expect a major opportunity. Think promotion or even starting your own business. In love though, tread carefully. Someone from your past might reappear, and let's just say, closure is key. Keep that fiery energy in check. Taurus, you're stepping into January with big financial wins. It's a great month to invest or finally treat yourself to that luxury item you've been eyeing. In love, slow and steady wins the race. But don't be surprised if a bold new admirer shakes things up. Gemini, your social life is about to explode. Parties, new connections, and maybe even a little drama, just your style. Career-wise, expect a creative breakthrough. Love, let's just say your charm is dangerously irresistible this month. Cancers, it's all about self-care in January. The stars are urging you to focus on mental and emotional health. A surprise family reunion might bring healing or hilarity. As for love, don't be afraid to let your walls down. You might just meet someone who's worth it. Leos, you're stealing the spotlight this month. What else is new? Expect public recognition, whether it's at work or on social media. Love-wise, January is fiery and fun. Singles, prepare for a whirlwind romance. And couples, spice things up with an adventure. Virgo, you're entering a period of serious growth. A big project at work will showcase your skills, and you might even consider a career pivot. Romance? Let loose. You don't need to plan every date like a military operation. Sometimes spontaneity leads to magic. Libra, January is all about balance, literally. You're juggling love, career, and personal goals, and the stars are sending you opportunities in all directions. Your charm is at an all-time high, so use it wisely. Oh, and keep an eye out for a surprise collaboration. Scorpio, you're about to uncover a major secret. Whether it's at work or in your personal life, the stars are urging you to trust your instincts. In love, passion runs high, but so does intensity. Make sure you channel that energy into something productive. Sagittarius, January is all about adventure. Whether it's travel, a new hobby, or a bold career move, the stars are encouraging you to take risks. Love-wise, your free-spirited vibe is magnetic, but don't forget to nurture deeper connections. Capricorns, this is your season. Career success is practically guaranteed this month, so don't hold back. But in love, you might feel torn between work and relationships. Pro tip: balance is key. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. Aquarius, January is a month of innovation for you. Expect groundbreaking ideas and projects that could shape your future. Love-wise, sparks might fly with someone who shares your unconventional outlook, so stay open to surprises. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th. Pisces, this month is your time for creative breakthroughs. Paint, write, or sing your heart out. The stars are amplifying your imagination. In love, the energy is soulful and sweet, with a possible deep connection on the horizon. Montage of the most exciting predictions. Aries landing a dream job. Gemini's wild social calendar. Pisces finding soulful love. From career wins to whirlwind romances, January 2025 is shaping up to be unforgettable for every sign. Now it's your turn. What's your zodiac sign, and which prediction resonated with you most? Drop it in the comments and let's compare notes. And the wildest prediction of all? Leos, you might just go viral in January. Whether it's a TikTok, a career win, or a love story, the spotlight is yours to own. January 2025 is kicking off with big energy, and the stars are ready to guide us through it. Whether you're chasing career goals, love stories, or personal growth, remember, astrology is a tool for inspiration, not a rulebook. Use it to dream big. If you loved these predictions, hit the like button and subscribe for more Zodiac updates. Got your own January predictions? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear them. And don't forget to check out my video on the Zodiac signs most likely to have fairy tale weddings for more cosmic fun. See you next time, star lovers!